Yeah, bye-bye, butterfly.
Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Yeah.
Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Uh-huh.
You know, kite's a good sized bird, forked tail. You know, forked tail? And a kite goes over right that tree.
See the moon? That's the moon. See the moon up there? Moon? You're not impressed, are you? That's the moon. 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 Yeah, moon. That's moon. Early rise tonight. Moon. Henry gets this very serious look to study things.
Yeah. So does Rose. Seriously.
That's Rose's serious look.
Let me build a tower, Rose. Can I build a tower? Build a tower?
Blocks.
Build a tower. Let me finish it, okay, Rose? Don't knock it down.